Whitestone has quite a few different screen protector options this year for the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today we're going to be testing out their premium dome glass screen protector. This screen protector here does use liquid adhesive, and if you're wondering what the benefits of using liquid adhesive are, one, if your screen has some scratches, some minor scratches on the screen, the liquid adhesive can actually help fill those in so you won't see them as much. And the thin liquid adhesive can give you an extra layer of protection. So we're going to go through the full installation, and then we're going to do a scratch test to see how resistant it is to scratches. So let's get started. Now, one thing you will need to power this little UV LED that uses USB Type-C is either a wall adapter that you use for your phone or some sort of a power bank. Then make sure to plug in the LED to see if it works before you start your installation. So you get 3 vials of adhesive, an installation packet, your installation guide, 2 screen protectors, and some stickers for installation. So the first thing we need to do is to take our installation tray, get this little extra piece here, and we're going to place it over the top of this spot in the tray just like that. Then you're going to take 2 of these little felt pads, and we need to put them in each side of the tray. So it'll look just like that. Then take this little black piece here and stick it inside the little piece that we clipped in earlier and make sure that it slides in and out very easily. Next, take these black stickers and we need to cover all of the ports and holes on our iPhone. So there's the bottom. Cover up your power button and your volume buttons and action button. Then clean off your screen really well with the alcohol wipe and dry it off. Then you're going to take your jig and we're going to press it over the top of our phone. Make sure that these little points on each side of the phone and on the top are actually touching the phone screen. Then you're going to take your speaker sticker and we're going to place it over this piece right here on the jig. This will cover the speaker so no liquid gets in. So just place it over the piece just like this. Then we need to press down on the sticker to make sure that it's firmly in place. I would recommend using this little piece to kind of push it down very carefully. Once that's in place, you want to take your little bridge and we're going to place it in the little slots on each side, just like that. Then we're going to take one of our vials of adhesive. We're going to unscrew the pink portion. Then we're going to flip this upside down into the hole and then undo the black cap, and the liquid adhesive should flow all over the screen. Once the adhesive is done coming out, you can remove the vial, put the cap back on, and then remove your bridge. You also want to make sure that you do this on a level desk because you don't want the little bubble to move prematurely, but if it does, you can manipulate the little bubble as much as you want. I find it easier to use both hands to try to move it around. Take this little black piece, push it into the little insert on top here. Then you're going to take one of your screen protectors. We're going to peel off the sticker from the underside of the screen protector, making sure that the speaker cutout goes towards the speaker on your phone. Then take your screen protector and rest it inside the guide here. Now we're going to push down on the jig, making the little bubble kind of roll down your screen, and we need it to be in between these 2 arrows in the middle here, and we're going to then slowly pull out this black piece. But you want to make sure that the bubble is a total circle when it's in between these arrows and not like an oval shape, and I'll show you what I mean. And if you need to, you can always reposition the bubble using both hands to kind of move it around. So now that it's pretty much a whole bubble in the center, we're going to remove this little black piece here and then just let the adhesive flow all over the whole screen. Do not touch it while it's doing this. And don't worry, it may take a few minutes for the adhesive to totally cover the screen. So it looks like the adhesive has covered the whole screen. So now we're going to do our first curing with our UV LED. So now we're going to do our first curing. All you need to do is press in the button 1 time. We're going to start off with the top, then go to the middle, then to the bottom. each for 15 seconds. This automatically sets a timer once you push in the little button. Then we'll move to the middle, and then the bottom. Alright, so now we can remove the sticker on the top here. Then very carefully, we're going to push our phone out. I would start with the bottom and kind of work your way down until the phone totally comes out. Alright, now we're going to take a look at our phone to see if any of the liquid adhesive has leaked. And it looks like we have a little bit on the side here, so I'm just going to wipe that up. I don't really see any anywhere else. So then we'll take our alcohol wipe and just kind of clean up the sides a little bit. All right, once everything looks good, we're going to do our second curing. So now we're going to do 60 seconds on the top, middle, and bottom, and then do it once more again. Now all you need to do is double press the button and it'll set the timer for 60 seconds. And then one more time. All right, so now we can take off our stickers. And that is looking really nice. So it does look like there is a slight gap all the way around the edge of the phone for case compatibility. As far as the touch goes, feels just as smooth as the glass that's on the phone. The glass on the edge looks very clean as well. I don't see any spillover. Looks really nice. This is also a full coverage screen protector, so your cameras are covered. Let's see if it affects our Face ID at all. No issues there. And as you can see, it is crystal clear. Touch also working perfectly fine. Nice and smooth. Let's check out our camera. Looks nice and clear. No problems there. As far as fingerprints goes, it picks up minimal fingerprints. As you can see, there's not really hardly any smudges there, and the little bit that there are very easily just wipes away. So now let's put it in our case. And even in our case, it does seem to have a very slight edge. So it's not actually touching the case. There's no lifting, no bubbles. So it should be case friendly, but again, you're gonna have to check it out with your case because not all cases are made the same. But it does seem to be case friendly. The edges are also rounded off, so it feels nice and smooth when you run your finger over them. So now let's move on to the scratch test. So typically tempered glass starts to scratch around a number 6. So we're going to start off with a number 5 and move up from there. Then we'll move on to our number 6. And then finally a number 7. So if we take a closer look, we can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are light at the number 6 and deeper at the number 7. So scratch resistance on this screen protector is a little bit better than regular tempered glass. And then if you're wondering what happens if you need to take the screen protector off, well, not to worry because that liquid adhesive does not leave any residue behind and it lifts up fairly easily. All you need to do is maybe use your fingernail or some sort of a credit card, something thin, to get up underneath the screen protector to release it. So here I have a little piece of plastic. I'm just going to use this to kind of start underneath the screen protector, and then I'm going to work my way around. And I'll show you how easy it is to get up off your phone. So as you can see, it's already starting to release on the side here. Once I've done that, I'm going to kind of use a squeegee to work my way around, or again, you can use your fingernail. And as you can see, as we run down the screen protector, it does release. Just do that all the way around the screen. Just take it nice and slow and you shouldn't have any problems. Once you've gone all the way around the phone, you can kind of press more underneath to start to release in the middle. Again, just take your time. And then you can take the whole screen protector off And as you can see on the phone, there's no residue and no damage to your screen whatsoever. All the residue is left on the screen protector. So as you saw, it's really not that hard to install. If I can do it, you can definitely do it too. Whitestone also has this really cool magnetic card wallet as well that you can clip onto the back of the iPhone 15. It has a built-in stand and it can hold one of your cards or even your ID. Simply clicks onto the back like that, and then you can put in your credit card or whatever. And like I said, it has the built-in kickstand, so you can use it to watch Netflix or something like that, or you can even take a Zoom call or use FaceTime. Clips back into place, and you can very easily get your card out just by pressing up on the card. And I'll be putting a link to this as well as the screen protector in this video's description. So installation for the screen protector wasn't really that bad. All you need to do is have a little patience. It does seem to be case friendly. Scratch resistance again seems to be a little better than regular tempered glass, and it looks really good on the phone. So based on all that, I would definitely recommend the screen protector, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And I'd also recommend checking out my best and worst cases video for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If it's not out yet, it will be soon, and if you want to watch it, just click on the video you see on your screen right now. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.